Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Courtney. Today's video is a giveaway video and I am so excited about it because it is a Surebonder giveaway. So if you've been with my channel for a while, you know that I absolutely love Surebonder products. You see them in my video all the time. So when they reached out about 3 or 4 weeks ago to ask me if I'd be interested in hosting, I absolutely said yes because, like I said, I just love their products. So one lucky person is going to win a box shipped to them directly from Surebonder. And it is full of some awesome stuff in here. Some things I've never used before, but I'm very excited to use, especially for some Christmas DIYs. Now, all of the rules, guidelines, all that good stuff will be down in the description box. There is a link for you to click, super easy. You can get some bonus entries that way, so just check down there. And the giveaway will run from today, which is the 27th, until next Friday, October 4th. So let's get into this box so I can show you what you are going to win. All right, let's get into what you are gonna win. So the first thing you're gonna get is this Detail Surebonder glue gun. It is a corded glue gun that has a very small precision tip. And this thing is fantastic, especially like if you like putting on the little twine bows or working with just a small amount of glue and you can't ever kind of get the right amount without it oozing everywhere. This will do it. I have one, I work with it, I love it. And I think everybody needs a detailed glue gun in their arsenal. The nice thing about this is I know there are some glue guns out there that you can change the tip, but who really wants to do that? Like seriously, it's just better to plug this one in with my regular one and then I've just got them both ready to go. So this is awesome. You're gonna love it. Another thing about Surebonder that I really, really love is that it can lay on your table like this while you're working with it and you don't have to worry about it damaging the table. There's so many times where I'm like working fast and my glue gun falls over. I never worry because it's okay if it falls over on its side. So there you go. You're gonna get this detailed glue gun. The next thing you're gonna get is this Silicone No Mess 8x8 mat. Now, this mat is super thick and you can put it underneath your glue guns to protect your work surface. But honestly, one thing I really love about Surebonder and why I have been so loyal to them for so many years is their glue guns just don't drip. Like I cannot stand dripping glue guns and it's a deal breaker for me and they just don't drip. I do use the Surebonder glue sticks with their glue guns and so I never have issues. But you will get this mat to protect your work surface. It is good to have underneath it just because there is heat coming off the glue gun, so it's great to have that. Now, the next thing you're gonna get, and honestly, I've filmed this about 8 times because I couldn't figure out how to get this. So I'm just gonna kind of show you. It's gonna be a box. All right, in here are all kinds of glue sticks. All right, so let me go through all of these colors that you're gonna get. It is a lot. It's 3 different categories. There are metallic glue sticks, glitter glue sticks, and colored, just regular colored glue sticks. So for the metallic glue sticks, you're gonna get silver metallic. And just so you know, all of these are 12 packs and they are all high temp, low temp. So you can use them in either type of glue gun, or if you have a dual temp glue gun, these will work on those. So like I said, silver metallic, and then the other metallic is a gold. These are gonna be so much fun to use at Christmas. I cannot wait. All right, now on to the glitter. I really don't like glitter. That is not anything new to my channel. I'm sure you guys all know that, but this right here, I do like sparkle, don't get me wrong. I like sparkle, but the mess, anyway, I don't want to get on a tangent about that. So I feel like this is like a win-win because not only is it glitter, but it's not messy because it's all contained. So you're gonna get 6 colors of glitter. You'll get a nice red, and then kind of a hunter green, a really pretty blue. This blue is so pretty. It's like a, I don't know, royal blue almost, tealish blue. And then you've got silver glitter. Of course, you gotta have some gold glitter. And then the iridescent kind of white glitter. So you'll get 6 different colors of glitter. And then the last section is just the plain colored glue sticks, which you will get every color of the rainbow, plus a couple. So let me show you. You're gonna get red, orange. This is kind of borderline neon orange, but would work for Halloween for sure. Yellow, another kind of hunter green, as well as a lime lighter green, which is kind of the green in the Surebonder logo is what that reminds me of. A blue, it may be coming across purple, but this is definitely a blue color, kind of a royal blue. Teal turquoise. Got your Barney purple. I don't think they actually have color names on here, do they? I'm just making up my own because, you know, that's fun. Pepto-Bismol pink, shall we call it that? And then you're gonna get chocolate brown. Look how fun is that? Licorice black. And then white. Now I will say I do have their fabric glue and it comes out white, and I have to say the first time I used it, it was really cool. I don't know why it was cool, it just was really cool. So anyway, like I said, low temp, high temp, you can use them for that. There's 12 in each pack, so you're gonna get all of this. And then the best part about this is if you don't win, but you're very curious about this, Surebonder was very nice enough to send me, and I want to read it to make sure I tell you guys right. They have created a link, and it's down in the description box, of a scaled down version of this giveaway at a discount. So basically you can get some of these items for cheaper than if you went and just bought them separately. And they've also given me a 20% off coupon to their website, which is good till the end of this year. You guys, that is huge. 20% off. Their website has some really awesome stuff on it. I use a lot of their products, and that's just huge. So thank you so much, Surebonder, for doing that, because that's just very generous. All right, and as I said, this giveaway is going to close next Friday. I will again put the winner in the description box next Friday, as well as contact them, and then from that point Surebonder will get in touch and we'll be mailing you all your goodies, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Good luck, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.